Good morning guys, it's me Ali and I warmly welcome all of you in another forecast video of Euro USD and the precious metal gold. Guys, looking at the 1 hourly time frame of Euro US dollar, we can see that the Euro USD has violated the downward trend line, as you can see here, and it has closed the series of bullish candles, which are in technical terms known as three white soldiers. These three white soldier represents that there is a dramatic buying, or like the bullish sentiment is pretty strong among investors. Therefore, we can expect a continuation of bullish trend. So there is one reason why we can expect upward movement in the market. Secondly, as you can see here, this particular candle here that you can see has a very long shadow, but market fell down to test the 50 periods exponential moving average, but unfortunately, or maybe fortunately, it never closed or managed to cross below this level, which is why the closing above 50 periods exponential moving average is offering us the chances of getting a bullish trend continuation in the market. So another thing that we need to keep an eye on is that basically the RSI and MACD both are holding in the bullish zone. As you can see here, the market is still holding above 50 level for the RSI, which is suggesting that after some retracement we can expect a continuation of a bullish trend in the market. And on the higher side, guys, on the higher side we can expect the initial resistance level somewhere around, we can say 1.2990, whereas bullish breakout of this level has a potential to lead Euro USD prices until 1.2349 level. So guys, that's all for Euro USD, and let's take a look at the precious metal gold. Guys, gold once again is trading exactly in line with our forecast. If you guys recall, like yesterday we were speaking about that the gold is going to face hard time breaking above 1762 level, and that's exactly how market has behaved. Gold went higher, took a dip, and it fell down to complete the 38.2% retracement, as you can see here on this level. Even it fell below to 50% level, but our support area was 1744, and it exactly tested the 1744 before getting us another round of buying in the precious metal gold. So for now, once again, the trading range is going to be very limited. The immediate resistance that gold is likely to face is going to be around 1762, and below this we can expect a sell-off in the market until 38.2% retracement. And today the 50 periods exponential moving average, which we can see here, the red line here, this is also going to provide a solid support to the precious metal gold. While on the other hand, if we take a look at the RSI and the MACD, basically they are suggesting a selling bias in the market. But the selling bias, the reason why we are like seeing a selling bias in the market is because of the fact that the market was in the overbought zone, and market has to drop down to make some room for additional buying in the market. So anyways, the prices of the value of RSI is still somewhere around 50, which means that there are pretty solid chances that today above 1744 level we can expect a continuation of a bullish trend in the market. So that's what we need to see in the gold today. So above, guys, in case market breaks above the 1762 level, the very next immediate resistance is likely to be found around 1772 level. So guys, that's pretty much it for today, and thank you so much for joining. I hope to see you next time. Have a good and profitable session today.